The Credit One Bank secured card with Visa is built for people who need to establish or rebuild their credit history and are willing to put down an upfront security deposit to qualify. The deposit amount, typically between $200 and $2,500, becomes your credit limit and earns a competitive interest rate, which is a rare perk for a secured card. It charges no annual fee, making it more affordable than many credit building options, and offers 1% cash back on everyday categories like gas, groceries, common monthly bills such as mobile phone or internet services. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus, which means responsible use can directly improve your credit score over time. The appeal here comes from its combination of no annual fee, ongoing rewards, and interest earned on the deposit, features that are not common in the secured card space. Free access to your credit score and flexible payment date options make it easier to track progress and avoid late fees. For someone focused on building credit without taking on extra costs, this card offers a practical and straightforward path. The downsides are tied mainly to its high APR of 29.49%, which makes carrying a balance very expensive. The security deposit requirement can also be a barrier for those who cannot set aside a few $100s. Rewards apply only to specific spending categories, leaving many purchases with no cash back. This card is not designed for financing large expenses but for demonstrating consistent, responsible credit use. In summary, the Credit One Bank secured card with Visa is a smart choice for disciplined users who can afford the deposit and pay their balances in full each month. It delivers on its credit-building promise while offering added perks. The high interest rate means it can become costly if used as a borrowing tool rather than a credit improvement strategy.